Welcome to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Today is very quick. I think today is going to be like one of the easiest tutorial we've ever had to do. So I want to show you how to make a vocal chop. I know this is really popular. Everybody has been asking me how they could get their vocal chops. So really simple. We're going to start by recording the sample. The vocal chop I want to make is in the key of D. So, la. So for vocal chops, I always like to use the vowel sounds. That's your R, that's your E, that's your U, you know, your vowel sounds. And for us as Africans, E will be your A, like A. You understand? So that's the sound. I can use A, I can use A. But I'm staying on that note because when you want to start playing around, you need to like be on key. So let's record something. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so right now I want to add a tune at key with perfect. So it says we're on D. On D, we'll just use maybe waves tune to like hit it to the actual note. Yeah. So let's use the first one, it's softer. So after that, I come to this part of the beat. I say the beat. Yeah, this beat, you know, master me. So you move it to a sampler. So in this case, if in case you're on FL, it's just your normal sampler. You move it to maybe Edison or one of those sampler. In case you're in Logic, that will be your EX. I think it's called EX28 or EX8 sampler. So it looks something like this. Then you can play it like, yeah, you can play it like this. Remember. So what you want to do now is remember our A. So watch. Really simple, but that's not all. This is just like the intro to the whole thing. Then your major things now comes in. However you want it to sound, you could add like a reverb. Yeah, you could add a reverb. You could EQ it the more, add OTT, compression. I'm not about to show you all that. If not, this video will be really long. So yeah, I'm here. Turn the EQ this way. Bring it up a little bit. So let's see. Now I want the body to still. Okay. So now you can already tell by now that if you play this and do. So I know you like that. So I do too. So it's crazy. So that is how you make a vocal chop, like the popular Krizbeatz vocal chop. That's how you make it. This you can even play as chord. You can play as chord, you know, but you have to give it like more body. So to you that requested for how to make the vocal chops since 2017, this is your video in 2021. Never give up on your dreams, guys. So that's how to make it. And yeah, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what else you want me to talk about, and just share your thoughts. It's a school, it's a class. It's not supposed to be something that it's not supposed to be. Oh, you can't reach me, or you're trying to reach me. No, reach out to me. The reason why I'm teaching you this is so that you make better music, so you can be a better musician. And next, I think I want to talk to the music. I want to talk to the artist. I want to talk to the artist on writing songs, writing good melodies. So if you're an artist and you're watching this and you want to see it, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be with you. Peace, and see you when I see you. So, I know you like that. I do too. So it's crazy. So that is how you make a vocal chop, like the popular Krizbeatz vocal chop. That's how you make it. This you can even play as chord. You can play as chord, but you have to give it like more body.